How to fix Albion Online failed to connect to server error. So if you're getting that specific error in Albion Online, it usually means your device can't reach the game servers, of course. So one of the main things you're gonna have to check out first is if the servers are currently up. So again, before anything else, make sure the issue isn't from Albion side, which is maintenance or those kind of stuff. So you can go to their officials like Albion Online directly and in the website. Should be able to find the news, and you can go ahead and check again if the servers are under maintenance or overloaded. So if it is, your only option is to pretty much just wait. But if servers are up, then you can proceed with looking for other options. So the next thing is we do have some information over here. So if you do have any VPN on, you could try to disable it and try to log in without VPN. That is pretty much one of the um simple options you have. Others is just basically the simple restarting your connection and pretty much connecting to a better network because it could be in your side problem. You can also make sure your game is up to date since outdated game versions or those kind of builds can break connectivity. So make sure that's the case. Um, there is an option to reinstall everything, but that is quite a long process. So if that is your only option left, then you could go ahead and try that as well. You can also check your firewall or network restrictions for your PC. So if you're playing on Windows, you can disable or allow Albion Online through your firewall or antivirus. So you can whitelist Albion Online and then restart the launcher after the changes. But make sure you can try these options in order to help you with the server problem. But if any of these options can help you, and hopefully it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.